Have you ever needed to work on the same Excel file with another person without having to send the file back and forth through email or messaging? In this guide, we will focus on how to share a workbook in Excel 365 so that multiple people can work on the same file more efficiently. This feature helps you collaborate in real time or asynchronously without duplicating versions or constantly updating files manually. By default, the shared workbook feature is not visible in Excel's main interface, so you need to enable it manually. To do that, first go to the File menu, then select Options. Inside the Options menu, navigate to the Quick Access Toolbar section. Within this section, find the drop-down that says Choose Commands From, and change it to All Commands to see the full list of Excel tools. Scroll through the list or use the search function to locate the Share Workbook Legacy command. Once you've found the Share Workbook command, click Add to include it in your Quick Access toolbar. Press OK to confirm. Now, the Share Workbook button will appear at the top of your Excel window ready to use. Click on the Share Workbook button, then check the option that says Allow changes by more than one user at the same time. This is what enables workbook sharing. After selecting it, click OK again to apply the setting. At this point, your workbook is now ready to be shared. You can go to the File menu and use the Share option to send access to others. Everyone with access can work on the same file at the same time without having to email updated versions. This is especially useful for internal collaboration where teammates need to contribute to or review the same data. Try using this feature with your colleagues so you can co-edit spreadsheets efficiently without back and forth file sharing. This approach greatly simplifies teamwork and helps ensure everyone is always looking at the latest version of the workbook.